Thanks for joining us. Let's take a look at our livestock trade, shall we? And we'll go to live cattle on the big board. Our quotes are from bar chart. Look at these gains on live cattle today. Wow, April live cattle are really perking up. We're up $1.72 today at 162.55. You know, we had a low this morning of 160.95. So look how far we've come off of that, about $1.60 here. On the June contract, we're up $1.27. The deferred's not quite as strong. Feeders are up 72 on the April contract. We're at 188.27, about a half a dollar off of our earlier high of the day. So generally about 50 to 90 higher across the board on the feeders. Lean hog trade started out under pressure today, and now we're starting to firm up. April lean hogs are up 70 cents now at 87.12. Well, heck, that's $2.12 off of our earlier low this morning. We're within 30 cents of our high of the day. May lean hogs now unchanged at 94.92. The deferred's a little bit higher. Whoops, May just changed. Now it's 40 cents higher. So things are elevating as we go deeper into the day here on the hog trade. All right, Oliver, what do you see on the live cattle here on these nearby contracts that are pushing them upward so hard?
I tell you what, it's a pretty impressive start to the week. We've got April marking new contract highs. We were thinking that we're going to consolidate a little bit more with the cash market kind of seemingly running out of gas over the last week or so, but futures have another plan here in the early morning trade, so we'll see if that can hold. Funds have been reducing their net long position over the last couple weeks, and I guess they've used that dip as a buying opportunity to reestablish some position. So I still think the upside is probably a little bit limited there in the live cattle, but I don't really see it falling out of bed. I still think that we can come into a little bit more of a range. Lean hogs is, I think, probably what we're most interested in. We talked about the commitment to traders in the fund position in the grain segment, and what caught our eyes this past commitment to traders report was the lean hog market. Funds are net short about 4,000 contracts there, which is the first time funds have been net short lean hogs since 2019. And last time they were net short hogs, they weren't short for long. They ended up covering those shorts rather quickly, and we saw a nice relief rally on the back of that. And I think we could potentially see that play out again this year.
Well, Oliver, it's great to hear from you again. I appreciate all the information here on the markets to start out the week. And good luck trading out there this week. Stay warm, too. I understand it's kind of cold up around that area. I do want to take a look at some outside markets here before I let you go. Let's go to the Dow. Right now, we're down 77 points on the March futures at 33,969. On the U.S. dollar index today, we have March futures just 54 points higher, basically flat at 101.775. We noted earlier where there was a big drop in the crude oil trade. Well, West Texas Intermediate crude on the March is now at 79.05. They moderated the losses, and we're down 63 cents on the day as it stands right now. So coming back a little bit after a sharp sell-off. Janet, that's the latest on the markets. It's all yours.